Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel,
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Day 12, Tell stories in English easily. Want to sound more fluent in English? Learn how to tell simple and interesting stories in just a few easy steps. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Today is day 12, and we are going to learn how to tell stories in English easily. Many English learners know a lot of vocabulary and grammar, but they struggle when they need to tell a story. They stop often, forget what to say next, or feel nervous. The good news is that storytelling does not have to be difficult. Today, I will show you a simple structure that will help you tell stories naturally and confidently. Let's begin. A simple story usually has three parts. First, the beginning. Second, the middle. Third, the ending. Think of storytelling as taking your listener on a short journey. Let's look at some useful transitions for each part. For the beginning, you can say, one day, last week, a few years ago, yesterday, when I was a child. These phrases help your listener know when the story starts. For the middle, use transitions like then, after that, next, suddenly, a little later. These words connect your ideas and make your story flow smoothly. For the ending, try finally, in the end, eventually, at last. These expressions help you finish your story clearly. Now let's see an example. Listen carefully. Last Saturday, I decided to go to a new coffee shop near my house. I was excited because my friends told me it was excellent. When I arrived, the shop was very crowded. Then I noticed there was only one empty seat. After that, I ordered a cup of coffee and sat down. A few minutes later, I realized I had forgotten my wallet at home. Suddenly, I felt nervous because I could not pay for my drink. Luckily, the manager was very kind. He told me I could come back later and pay. Finally, I returned in the afternoon and paid for the coffee. In the end, everything worked out well. Did you notice how the transitions connected each part of the story? Now let's practice together. I will give you a simple situation. Your situation is this. You lost your phone. Let's build a story step by step. Beginning. Yesterday, I was walking in the park. Middle. Then I stopped to take some photos. After that, I sat on a bench and relaxed. A little later, I realized my phone was missing. Ending. Finally, I went back and found it under the bench. In the end, I felt very relieved. See how easy that was? Now it's your turn. Try telling a story about one of these topics. A funny experience. A memorable trip. A surprise you received. Your first day at a new school or job. Remember this simple formula. Beginning, middle, ending. And use transitions like then, after that, next, suddenly, finally. The more stories you tell, the more fluent and confident you will become. Before we finish, here is today's challenge. Tell a short story in English using at least 5 transition words from today's lesson. Speak for 1 minute without stopping and record yourself if possible. Practice every day, and your storytelling skills will improve quickly. Share your story in the comments and join me tomorrow for day 13 of the 30-Day English Fluency Challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep speaking English every day.